Good afternoon, everyone. It's your English class, and today we are going to study the back exercise of our first chapter of our course book. So, we have come on the page number 8 using words we are going to understand. Let's start to understand this. Read this sentence. People came from far and wide to eat in his stall. The highlighted phrase far and wide, which means from distant places, is binomial. Binomials are expressions with two words linked by a conjunction or a preposition. So, dear students, here we have to understand what is the binomial. So, binomial दो वर्ड्स के ग्रुप को बोलते हैं जो किसी कंजंक्शन से या फिर किसी preposition से जुड़ा हो और एक लिटरल मीनिंग से अलग मीनिंग कन्वे करता हो. जैसे फार एंड वाइड का मतलब होता है, फार एंड वाइड हम यूज करते हैं किसी दूर स्थान के लिए, राइट. Here are some more examples. Safe and sound, up and down, sick and tired, sooner or later. The order of the words can't be changed. जो ये words लिखे जाते हैं इनके हम order को change नहीं कर सकते. जैसे safe and sound, we can't say in this way sound and safe. Up and down, we can't say in this way down and up. तो जिस way में ये होते हैं उनमें ही use करने होते हैं. Our first phrase is that safe and sound. It means secure and healthy. Means sahi salamat. Next is up and down. Means good and bad. Means life के जो उतार चढ़ाव होते हैं वो up and downs. Next, sick and tired. Not well and fatigue. Means बीमार और थका हुआ. Sooner or later. Now or after some time. Means अभी या बाद में. We can't say sound and safe, safe, down and up, tired and sick, later or sooner. These are all the things we have discussed, right? Choose the right binomials from the box to complete these sentences. Far and wide, part and partial, hustle and bustle, step by step, back to front. So 5 phrases are there. These are binomials. So first of all, we need to understand what are the meanings of these phrases, and we need to fill these fill-ups, right? First is that far and wide means everywhere, har jagah. Second, part and partial means important organ, important part means aham hissa. Next is hustle and bustle, रश एंड नॉइस यानी कि कहीं पर चहल पहल होना, बहुत सारे लोग होना, वहां पे बहुत सारे नॉइस होना. स्टेप बाय स्टेप मींस ग्रेजुअली वन एक्शन टू द नेक्स्ट यानी कि धीरे धीरे एक एक्शन से दूसरे एक्शन तक. नेक्स्ट बैक टू फ्रंट, बैक पार्ट इज फ्रंट पार्ट मींस जैसे हम समटाइम वी से यू हैव योर शर्ट इज बैक टू फ्रंट यानी कि आपकी शर्ट बैक से फ्रंट है यानी कि आपने उल्टी पहन ली है, right? So these phrases we have to use in these fill-ups. Let's understand these fill-ups or these sentences. First sentence is that the news spread that the king was to give his daughter in marriage to the bravest man in all the land. So the news spread everywhere. Everywhere means which word we have to fill here? Far and wide. Let's see the answer key. Yeah, far and wide is right answer. So we can see here in the answer key. He followed a set of step-by-step instructions for making a pizza. उसने step by step यानी कि हर एक एक्शन को, हर एक प्रोसेस को फॉलो किया पिज्जा बनाने के लिए. I wonder if you realize that you have your t-shirt on back to front. Back to front means उल्टी पहन लेना, उल्टा कोई चीज होना, फ्रंट वाला पार्ट बैक पे होना और बैक वाला फ्रंट पे होना. So next number 4, my grandmother enjoys the hustle and bustle of marketplace. जो मेरी ग्रैंडमदर हैं जो मार्केट प्लेस की हसल और बसल होती है यानी कि रश जो होता है, नॉइस जो होती है उसको एंजॉय करती है. For some people, loneliness is part and parcel of everyday life. कुछ लोगों के लिए loneliness क्या होता है? एक important part होता है लाइफ का, right? So these are the phrases, we can say them binomials, right? Now let's come on the writing part. So dear students, here you have to write a notice. In this exercise, you have to write a notice. So first of all, we will understand what is notice. Then we will understand what is the format of notice. Then we will do this notice. And this notice you are advised to write in your fair notebook of grammar book. ग्रामर की जो आप फेयर नोटबुक अप्लाई करोगे यूज करोगे उसमें आपने ये नोटिस लिखना है ना कि रीडर की फेयर नोटबुक राइट यू हैव टू राइट दिस इन योर फेयर नोटबुक ऑफ ग्रामर you have already learned that a notice is a short piece of writing that is used to communicate information formally यानी कि नोटिस जो होता है एक शॉर्ट पीस ऑफ राइटिंग होता है शॉर्ट यानी कि राइटिंग होती है जो फॉर्मली लिखा जाता है यानी कि पर्पस के लिए लिखा जाता है किसी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के लिए लिखा जाता है फॉर्मल वे में लिखा जाता है और जब हमें किसी मैसेज को बहुत लोगों को कन्वे करना हो बहुत सारे लोगों को मैसेज पहुंचाना हो तो व्हाट वी डू विद दैट we make the notice and we put that notice in the notice board so that everyone can come there and read the message and message spread widely right so that's why we write the notice. So our notice question is that you are the cultural coordinator of APC Public School, Vadodara. Your school has decided to organize a carnival to be held in a school grounds. You have been asked to write a notice about this carnival, inviting the students and teachers to participate in it. Write a notice in not more than 50 words to be put up on the notice board with the all relevant details. Use this format. So, dear students, in this question, you need to imagine that you are culture coordinator of APC Public School Vadodara. यानी कि आप APC Public School वडोदरा के वडोदरा में कल्चर कोऑर्डिनेटर हो and your school is going to organize a carnival. Carnival means a festival, public festival, which is going to be held in the school grounds. You have to ask to write, and then you have to write a notice regarding that carnival. And in this, you need to invite all the students and teachers to participate in this. And all the relevant and important information you will write in that notice, right? Now let's understand this. So first thing is that we need to write the notice in a box. हमें notice को box में लिखना चाहिए, right? First of all, committee's name you will mention in the mid of the notice on the upper lines. First of all, you will write the name of the committee means name of the organization means school name you will mention here. What was school name? APC Public School Vadodara. This you will mention here. After leaving one line, then you have to write notice in the capital letters, right? Then you have to write the date and the year. Date, month, and year you will write in this side, left side of the notice, right? And I will see you when I will show you the answer, then you will understand. Then you will need to write, you will write that carnival means regarding the carnival we are going to write. Then write the details of the carnival, who all are expecting to be a part of carnival, how many events and what kind, etc. तो आपको कार्निवल की उस फेस्टिवल की डिटेल लिखनी है कि कौन इस कार्निवल में पार्ट लेने वाला है, इवेंट कब शुरू होगा, किस तरह का इवेंट होगा. After that, you need to mention the day, time, and venue of the carnival. Then your name and position means on which post you are, you have to write. Okay. Now let's see the answer. In which way we have to write a notice. So first thing I told you, notice you need to write in a box. So in a box you will write the notice. First of all, you need to write the organization name, committee name, organization name. That is APC Public School Vadodara. Then you will mention the notice word here, right? Basically, we should write here in the capital letters, but if you write in small letters, first letter capital and rest of small, that is also right. Then you need to mention left side of your notice, date, month, and year in this way. Today's date you will write here, not the same date. Okay. Today's date means 15 April 2021. So this date you will mention here, then you will mention here carnival because we are going to mention, because going to write about the carnival. Next, the important detail you will mention here, like all the students and teachers are hereby informed that the school is organizing a carnival in the school grounds. on 20th September 2021 you need to mention this date. Okay, means सभी टीचर्स को और स्टूडेंट्स को इन्फॉर्म किया जाता है कि स्कूल यहाँ पे अपने स्कूल ग्राउंड में एक कार्निवल, कल्चरल कार्निवल ऑर्गेनाइज करने जा रहा है. All the students and teachers are cordially invited to participate in the carnival and make it successful. तो सभी टीचर्स और जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं कोर्टली इनवाइट किए जाते हैं, हार्डली मतलब मींस हार्डली इनवाइट किए जाते हैं इस कार्निवल में पार्टिसिपेट करने के लिए, उसको सक्सेसफुल बनाने के लिए. The details of event are as follows. जो डिटेल्स दी गई है इवेंट्स की वो नीचे हैं. Date 20th September 2019. So today's date you will mention, no, after like after few days date you will mention. Today's 15, you can mention here 20 April 2021, right? Timing 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. Same timing you can mention. Venue, school grounds, APC Public School, Vadodara. Those interested can submit their names to the undersigned. जो interested हैं जिनके name नीचे लिखा गया है उनको अपने names submit करवा सकते हैं. Akash Verma, here you need to write your name, cultural coordinator, APC Public School, right? So dear students, this notice you have to write in your fair notebook of your grammar, not of reader. Remember this, right?